Shiba Inu whales are really active right now. The US government has released bullish updates. Next up, Coinbase. We know it's a big deal when Coinbase steps in to lend a hand. Shiba Inus do the most unbelievable things every time this occurs. Finally, something comparable is occurring once more. There ought to be widespread elation about this monumental development. However, why is that? Who knows? We'll find out. Important notice. For all those involved in the cryptocurrency market, it is a fantastic day. With Shiba Inu and other big cryptocurrencies riding high on today's market pump, it's possible that a bull run is on the horizon. The US Federal Reserve made a crucial move today which greatly boosted the cryptocurrency market. For the first time in 4 years, the Federal Reserve reduced interest rates, a daring and unexpected move, by 50 basis points. In addition to capturing the interest of traders and investors throughout the world, this significant move has also triggered a rapid spike in the price of Bitcoin. The general trend is for risk assets like cryptocurrencies to rise in value when interest rates are dropped because of the increased liquidity and decreased cost of borrowing money. The Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates has boosted interest in investing in assets like cryptocurrencies, which stand to gain from the flood of new capital. Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market received a huge lift from this 50 basis point cut. Shiba Inu has been riding the optimism wave in the same vein. Decisions made by the Fed weren't always certain bets. The magnitude of the rate drop was the subject of much discussion and conjecture in the weeks preceding up to this decision. At first, more than $55 million was bet on the prediction markets favoring a 50 basis point reduction. Expectations changed, though, and some analysts began projecting a lesser 25 basis point reduction as the decision date drew near. The market was already excited before the Fed's decision to decrease interest rates by 50 basis points shocked many. Now that we are in the future, everyone is focusing on November. According to market projections, there is a 64% probability that the Fed will implement a more modest 25 basis point decrease at their next meeting. For many, this long-awaited action represents the Federal Reserve's next step after removing inflationary pressures through rate hikes. Even though inflation is showing signs of cooling, the markets should still feel the effects of the Fed's policy changes. Such a change might have far-reaching consequences for the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu and other altcoins seem to benefit greatly from the general trend toward higher investment in riskier assets brought forth by historically low interest rates. In the past, when market sentiment and excitement are high, cryptocurrencies have done quite well. And right now this is occurring. Into the Block reports that significant transactions, those with a value of $100,000 or more, have increased by a whopping 128% in the past day, hitting $33 million. That is the same as 2.5 trillion Shiba Inus. It appears that large-scale investors, sometimes known as whales, are refocusing their focus on Shiba Inus, possibly due to the promising market conditions that exist at the moment. Shiba Inu could be preparing for another big run if this is any indication. This kind of behavior is typically indicative of whales hoping to make larger gains in the future. With more investors getting in on the action, Shiba Inu could be poised for a promising upward trajectory if the market stays buoyant and interest rates stay favorable. However, this is merely scratching the surface. Coinbase made a major announcement today, joining the craze. The well-known cryptocurrency exchange acknowledged that XRP and Shiba Inu are intended to serve as money by classifying them as currencies. Both Shiba Inu and XRP are characterized by Coinbase as having the characteristics of a money or store of value. This is a major step forward for Shiba Inu as it increases the coin's credibility and makes it more widely accepted as money. Keep in mind how challenging it was for Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency in the world, to gain such renown. For a long time, Bitcoin was mostly dismissed as a passing trend or speculative asset. Even the prospect of Bitcoin being a store of value was met with much delay, controversy, and governmental resistance. Not to mention a digital currency, just think about how much more difficult it must be for altcoins like Shiba Inu to get comparable recognition if the leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, had such a hard time getting this level of esteem. It would be the equivalent of a fledgling startup vying for the same level of recognition in the market as an established powerhouse like Apple. Little companies have it twice as tough as Apple had in its early days when it came to overcoming doubt. Alternate coinage, such as Shiba Inu, are also making great strides. However, Coinbase's latest admission suggests that things may be looking up for them too. All bets are off for Shiba Inus according to this latest warning from Coinbase. Shiba Inu has just gained a lot of respectability and trust as Coinbase classified it as a currency. Investors and traders seeking assets with practical purposes will find Shiba Inu more appealing, and its backing from a major exchange further adds to its credibility as a possible form of money. Being one of the first major exchanges to list Shiba Inu, Coinbase has a strong relationship with the coin. Shiba Inu was able to reach a wider audience thanks to this ranking, which put it in the spotlight. A giant step forward has been achieved with Coinbase's official recognition of Shiba Inu as a money or store of value cryptocurrency. That Shiba Inu is getting given the attention it deserves in the cryptocurrency community is encouraging, since the breed has the makings of a major player in the emerging field of digital currency. This development is really significant. It's the same as when you wait a long time and then you get the green light. Feeling validated and hopeful about the future, the community's confidence and optimism are boosted by this new status. It boosts the coin's potential to new levels and shows that their belief in Shiba Inu may be paying off. Even if today is a monumental day for Shiba Inu, things don't look so bright when we stand back. In spite of all the buzz at the beginning of the year, the Shiba Inu price has been very flat, showing no signs of major increase in the past few months. Many investors are holding out hope for the next surge because of Shiba Inu's lackluster performance, and some analysts are even pessimistic about the breed's long-term prospects. To illustrate the point, even if Bitcoin reaches $90,000 by 2025, according to investor E. Obez, Shiba Inu might not go above a tenth of a penny. Obez failed to offer specific justifications for this prediction. He did, however, gauge Shiba Inu's future growth in relation to other coins. In his opinion, new crypto assets may experience substantial gains and Ethereum may go above $5,500, but well-established meme currencies such as Shiba Inu may find it difficult to achieve remarkable performance. Even while there is good news about Shiba Inu today, it is evident that they still confront challenges in this setting. Although the Coinbase recognition is greatly appreciated, it does not ensure significant price appreciation. Though some experts are wary of the Shiba Inu's future success, others are very bullish on the breed. As an example, prominent crypto analyst Luxide thinks that Shiba Inu's value could reach a tenth of a cent, driven by strong on-chain signs and an uptick in whale activity. Recent statistics reveal an upsurge in whale engagement, which Luxide interprets as signaling that the Shiba Inu is about to enter a critical period in its long-term trend, particularly indicative of this increasing interest is the fact that major holders have moved more than 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens and removed $4 million worth of Shiba Inu from exchanges. This optimistic view is shared by other analysts such as Crow from TradingView. Crow predicts that Shiba Inu will soon experience a breakout, particularly if it is able to overcome a declining trend line that has hindered its growth since 2021. If this breakout materializes according to Crow, the price of Shiba Inu might increase by 7,300% from where it is now, hitting a tenth of a penny. A rather intriguing scenario has now emerged. Shiba Inu appears to be well positioned for expansion in light of Coinbase's recent endorsement. With the help of this big exchange, rising whale activity, and good on-chain indications, getting to a penny seems like a more achievable goal. Luxide and Crow are among the bullish analysts who think Shiba Inu has a good chance of reversing its present trend and making substantial gains. The latest advancements may hold the secret to reaching that tenth of a penny milestone, which is an exciting time for supporters. However, how do you feel about that? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure you click on one of the videos you see on the screen if you are keen to find out more. We have reached the final segment of this video. Please hit the like button and drop a comment down below if you found the video entertaining. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge help. The more people you can get to watch this video, the better. We need to spread the word about this.